So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and fix your screen share on FaceTime not working. So sometimes you might be trying to FaceTime somebody and you might be trying to go through and fix it if screen share is not working. Number one, the first thing you might want to do is just to make sure that whatever you're screen sharing, you might want to make sure that it's not like a copyrighted thing. Sometimes if you try to screen share like Netflix or something like that, that might cause you some issues. So go through, make sure the app or the thing that you're trying to screen share isn't really a weird issue because sometimes that can be the main issue. Now, another thing, you might want to make sure SharePlay, if you're screen sharing through SharePlay, that SharePlay is enabled and is toggled on. So go inside of your settings application like this, scroll down until you find the little FaceTime option. You might have to scroll into apps and then find FaceTime right here. And then you want to tap on SharePlay. So if you have a little SharePlay option, once it's enabled, go through enable SharePlay and make sure that that's actually, on. Another issue actually can be your date and your time settings. Sometimes your date and time can be messed up. So you might want to just toggle it to be automatically on. So you can do that by going inside of your iPhone settings right here, tapping into your general settings, going into the date and time settings right here, and you just want to go and set it for automatic because sometimes that can also be the issue that you might be running into as well. Setting it up for automatically can also end up fixing it. That's still not working. You can try disabling and enabling FaceTime. So enable it, disable it, re-enable it, and that might end up fixing it for you. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.